Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider reputation, number of surveys available, and payout methods. Maximize earnings by completing profiles, taking advantage of free offers, and prioritizing high payout surveys. Best practices include creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for warning signs of illegitimate survey sites such as membership fees or requests for private information. Surveys for money are legitimate and typically take 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies pay individuals to gather market research and consumer feedback. Start earning today with online surveys.